Dahil sa piling mo lagi, kasaya ng aking puso. Para bang ako'y nasa langit na, ang paligid ay ligaya. Kung ito may panig.
Vince is not answering his phone.
Hey, sister, where are you going?
I'm going to Vince's house. Would you like to come with me?
Sure, why not? Yes, come, maybe Vince is not here.
No, I know Vince is here.
I don't know, so let's go.
Hey, Vince.
Hey, sister.
Shouldn't be your phone ringing. I'm calling you.
Oh, sir, sister. Nagsasabi ka niyo.
Hi, sister.
So, you're just having fun. You home with Alex? Calm down. I know that there's something going on here. Alex, why can't you tell me that you like games?
No, sister, you're wrong. We're just friends. I know that you know that I will not do that to you.
Okay, stop. Good. You know, sister, because we are this everyone.
But I thought that it's okay with you. No, you can do anything you want.
What do you mean, sister?
I'm giving Vince his freedom.
Sister, wait.
I'm giving Vince his freedom.
You... Ah.
Hey guys, do you want to go to the car?
Sure, why not?
In the park. For what?
I just finished with you.
Explain? I don't need your explanation. I know what I saw.
Sister, sorry. I know that you know that Vince is only my childhood friend.
Kahit kailan hindi ka na mag-iisa, tanging ligaya ko saktan ulan ay kakayanin ko. Walang malulungkot at iisa.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
What will I do for you to love you? Alex, are you crazy? Do you know what you're doing? Tom, you know that I love you.
Smile before you open.
I thought we were friends. But what you've done, the one who I love, you're taking away from me.
Guys, what's happening? Guys, we became friends. We encountered a lot of problems. But I'm glad to see the problems be the reason that our friendship is gone. Remember that first time we met each other and someone said, I really don't like that thing. But now, see, we're best friends.
I'll be on your side.
Alex,
This is a legit love letter. Ay, huwag hindi lang.
Walang sayang sa ating bawat sandali. Sana'y panahon na nagdaan, tila ba walang hanggan. Sana ay di na tapon pa. Pangakong iibigin ka kailanman. Ayokong makikita kang nasasaktan. At nais ko malaman mo sa lalang puso ko. Ingatan ko ang tunay na pag-ibig natin. Ito ang pangako ko. Kahit kailan hindi ka na mag-iisa, tanging ligaya ko'y sa piling mo sinta.
Oh, ate, watch ako do.
Hoy, lalik, balik.
Yeah!
Ano na kayo?